Passion for Cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm going to review two amazing products. The first one is raw and organic cacao powder. The second one is raw and organic maca powder, distributed by Pure Natural Miracles. The people at Pure Natural Miracles asked me to look at their products, and I saw it and they have a lot of health benefits. So that's why I would like to share them with you. These blend in well with most recipes. Please check the description box for links to Pure Natural Miracles. Health benefits for raw organic cacao powder. It has antioxidants that can prevent skin damage and premature aging. It contains flavonoids which help maintain cardiovascular health and lowers your blood pressure as well. Can help reduce inflammation, reduces risk of heart failure, an excellent mood enhancer, an anti-aging superfood for seniors, aids in weight loss, and relieves stress and anxiety. Now let's see the benefits of maca powder. Gives an instant energy boost. It's a great adaptogen and an awesome supplement to help recuperate fast after a hard workout. An excellent antidepressant. A great source of several important vitamins and minerals. Can improve learning and memory. Reduces blood pressure. Helps relieve symptoms of menopause. Helps fight off free radicals. Promotes natural antioxidants inside your body. Improves bone density. Increase stamina for exercise. Good for energy, vitality, mood and memory. Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. It's noted for giving you tons of energy. Pure Natural Miracles sponsoring a giveaway contest on my channel. 2 people will be randomly selected as winners who will win a bag of your choice of either 1 pound of raw organic cacao powder or 1 pound of raw organic maca powder. You can mix it with your coffee or tea or your favorite smoothies. It can be used to make desserts, especially chocolate cakes. These blend in well with most recipes. I'm going to use both of them in one recipe and make a tasty and healthy treat. Just go to the link below and enter the contest. For the ones who did not win, they will receive an email from Pure Natural Miracles with coupon codes for their product through Amazon.com. I'll make a simple microwave muffin in just 4 minutes. Unbleached all-purpose flour, unbleached cane sugar, milk, eggs, butter, salt, vegetable oil, and microwave safe cup. In a cup, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 pinches of baking soda. And of course, salt. Smells great. I can't wait to use it in my muffin. One tablespoon of raw organic cacao powder. 1 tablespoon of raw organic maca powder. It comes in an easy to close Ziploc bag which keeps it fresh. Mix it well to get rid of any lumps. Let's add all the wet ingredients. Crack open eggs. 3/4 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. And finally add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. If you don't like butter, you may omit this from the recipe. and mix it well again. You can also bake it in a small muffin cup like this one. Add your favorite nuts and dry fruits if you want. I'm adding roasted cashews and raisins. Put it in a 1000-watt microwave for 4 minutes. It might be more or less, depends on your microwave. For this small cup, it took me just 2 minutes. It came out very well, perfect for breakfast or an evening snack with a hot cup of coffee or tea.
So, what are you waiting for? Enter the contest for a chance to win your favorite product. This is Sophia signing off for now from Sophia's Passion for Cooking. See you next week with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.